Good morning, everyone. It's February 14, Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. So, it's a little more than 10 o'clock. Babangon ko lang. And I'm preparing a special breakfast for me and my husband. To the oil. Breakfast is ready. Just waiting for my date. Still sipping my warm water. I got this surprise bouquet from my hubby. And this Ferrero chocolate. He's not somebody who usually gives me something on Valentine's, but this time around, he surprised me. I'm happy. I feel loved. So I'm gonna arrange these flowers in the vases. I have two glass vases here. This one, I have put some water already. And this one. These are all vases that my hubby bought some time ago from the thrift store. He's fond of buying stuff from the thrift store. Okay, so it's 3:28 and I'm starting to cook spaghetti for our party in a little bit, for our Valentine party at home. So I have here ground chicken, cayenne pepper, I have carrots, I have the classical roasted portobello mushroom, classical sauce, I have ketchup, I have sibuyas. What's sibuyas in English? I have garlic. No, this is not garlic. Sibuyas, anyway, that's sibuyas. And then I have the spaghetti pasta. So, it's already translucent. The onion is already translucent. Yan, alala ko na onion pala yung sibuyas. Let's put now the ground chicken. So, let's make this brown. Covered it to hasten the cooking with stirring from time to time para hindi siya masunog. I put the cayenne pepper already. Para may konting kick. Just a dash or a pinch of cayenne pepper. Para may konting kick. Medyo brown na siya. Just a little bit. I use chicken instead of pork or beef because it's healthier. Less fats. I put a little bit of garlic salt. Let's put the sauce, the classical sauce. I forgot to buy mushroom, but this sauce was already mushroom already. Let's taste it. Sarap. You can add a little cheese, Parmesan cheese. Masarap pag niluluto na rin yung cheese. We're boiling some water for the pasta. Let's put some salt. While waiting for the water to boil, let's cut this bread that will make us garlic bread. For garlic bread, we'll just melt this butter or margarine. I melted the butter in the microwave, siguro mga 30 seconds. This is the melted butter. And I'll put garlic powder. And you just rub this in the bread, both sides. Yeah, melted lots of it. I'm gonna put the pasta. Start it for 7 minutes. I think it's 7 to 8 minutes. Cover it. So this is our Valentine little party. I made the spaghetti and the garlic bread, and Charmaine bought the chicken and the french fries, and I bought the cake yesterday, a small cake.
We gonna come together, me and you. Need 'em all, more than a few.
The male is a thoracic surgeon from Health Sciences Center, he's also a Filipino, Dr. Gordon Buduhan. The lady is a dentist, Dr. Tricia Marcino Barnabe. We are watching Angkop fundraising here in Winnipeg via YouTube, a virtual fundraising. Are you enjoying the Valentine concert? This is our date for Valentine's.
I found my fortress in you, and my soul is anchored with you. My resting place is in your name. I found my fortress in you, and my soul is anchored with you. My resting place is in your name. You are never far away, always reaching out to save. My weakness covered by your strength, and I am found forever safe. You are never far away, always reaching out to save.
We are still watching the virtual Angkop fundraising for the fundraising for Couples for Christ Angkop in our YouTube channel. So it's been a nice day for today, for Valentine's Day. We had a quiet celebration at home. I cooked something, and we're just chilling out, me and my hubby in our living room, watching the Angkop fundraising. Good night, everyone. Happy Valentine's.
Song that's been put together by
in space, and I've watched it grow away. So if you're listening, God, please don't make it hard to know if we should believe in the things you taught me to love. So it's real to me, and that love that we must look inside.
Pagnom lang gala sinda.
I hate to leave you, I really must say good night, sweetheart, good night. Good night, sweetheart, well, it's time to go. Good night, sweetheart, well, it's time to go. I hate to leave you, but I really must say good night, sweetheart, good night.
Question now is this. In the gospel, remember the leper, health conscious? Imagine gumaling. Oh, big celebration, leprosy just like that gone. Miracle. But what did the Lord say? Jesus could have said, oh, sige, blow out ka naman dyan.
Don't tell anyone.
Mag-blow out na tayo at gumaling ka. No. What did the Lord say? You go to the temple and give thanks. You know what Jesus was pointing to us in this story of the gospel? That we become more than health conscious or wealth conscious. We become heart conscious.
Stop.
Let us listen to the heart. Because yan ang nakakalimutan eh. Many of us operate from here, operate from here, operate from the pocket, and people don't operate from the heart. Ito pong paalala ng Panginoon sa ating lahat. How about you, kapatid?